Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Bro. In this video, we are going to talk about bypass AI detection tools. So whether you are a blogger, marketer or a student, so these tools can be a game changer. Many platforms and institutions use AI checker to flag content written by AI. This can be a pain if you are using the AI tools to help you create content such as blog post, marketing copy or even summaries. So we have many options out there, which one is right for you. So today we are going to show you best bypass AI detection tools. So time to put on your silly belts, so let's get started. First off, we have BypassGPT. This tool claims to not only bypass AI detectors but also enhance your content for SEO. They use clever algorithm to restructure and rephrase your text, making it unique and avoiding the robotic quality AI content can sometimes have, plus the offer human quality paraphrasing to keep your content engaging. So now let's test it. Now we open the ChatGPT and ask it to write an essay on China wall in 100 words. It produces the content, we copy the text and now go to originality.io and paste the text here. And here we will check was this text was written by AI or human. And here you can see the content is written by AI, so it's found the text is written by AI. Now we go to BypassGPT and here paste the text. And here you can see the content is written by AI, so it's found the text is written by AI. And choose the mode like fast, creative and enhance. After selected, click on Humanize. In seconds, BypassGPT will produce the new text with the same meaning and message, but that is capable of bypassing all of the listed AI checkers tool. Now go back to the checker and paste the text here. And here you can see this content is written by human and it's not written by AI. Now go back to the ChatGPT and write an essay on social media apps in 300 words. Copy this text. Now go back to the 0GPT and paste the text here and click on the detect text. Wait here for few seconds. And here you can see your text is written by AI generated. And here you can see your text is written by AI generated. Now check it on the GPT-0, paste the text here and click on the run scan. And here you can see this text is generated by AI. Now go back to BypassGPT and paste the text and choose your mode like fast, enhanced. Select the mode and click on Humanize. Copy the text and go back to the GPT-0. Paste the text here. And here you can see your content is written by human. You can check it on another checkers like content at scale. Paste your text here and check it. And here you can see your content is written by human. So it's very easy. I hope you will find this video helpful. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.